Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a five-pointed star. Let's see how we can do it. But here before that you can actually see the shapes are formed by using the same method. There is already the video in my channel which actually explains this five-pointed star. But I thought to make in this style where I'm actually explaining, because the other video which is on my channel already, which was uploaded I think last year or 2 years ago, it has only a background music. But I thought, let's make it in this style where I'm actually talking, and I'm just encouraging people to comment on the video and tell me if you find this style on my channel explaining the craft easy, better, or if I should improve more, if um, how I should do it. So just let me know in the comment section. So let's start the video right now. I'm trying to explain into very easy steps. Just fold paper into half. This is a square sheet of paper, simple square sheet of paper. You can use any size. The current paper that I'm using is 16 centimeter by 16 centimeter. This is origami paper. It's easily available on Amazon. Any size, some papers I found 14 by 14 centimeters. So just square sheet of paper. Any scale is fine. So if you require like a big star to stick it on your wall or on in your project, it's easy. So when I folded this paper, you can observe that this is closed area and this is open area. What you are going to do is, first, this one side I'm going to divide diagonally like this to form a center line over here. So sorry, center point over here. So you can clearly see there is a cross lines, right? So you need to take this point as a reference. So this point has to be joined onto this center point here, which we formed by folding and forming a cross, and then you join this point to this point here and fold it over here, and then take this as a reference, this line, and you need to make a fold over here. So this side has to be folded like this. Once this is done, you have to flip it and then divide this area into half like this. So this is a point. From that point you need to divide and align this side, the both sides together. Okay, so once this is done, I'm going to take a scissor. Make sure this point has to go in the cutting area. So when you cut, it is here. So I'll quickly draw a line. I usually don't draw a line. You can actually think of an imaginary line, but I'm just for the first time you can just take a reference. So you can just draw a line. So make sure this area is small and this area is big. So draw a line. You can even draw very thin light line, so which cannot be visible for eyes, so it won't be visible in your shape. So I'm cutting along that line. Once that is done, I'm going to open this all folds at once, and now you can see the five-pointed star is ready. So now I'm going to make one more time with the smaller size paper. Okay, it's again I got this another square sheet of paper. I'm gonna repeat the same thing with this paper. Fold, make cross lines to form a center, and then fold, flip, divide paper into half from this corner, and then cut. So this time I'm going to leave very small area at one side and the big one at this side. And we are going to see how it looks in the end. Let's open it. Cool. So you can see the difference. The more space, the distances that you measure from one side and other side, if the difference is more, it gives you this effect, the more pointed corners, and in this it's a bit less. So you can see the difference, this and this. So you can decide what kind of star do you want, so that way you can actually explore, practice, and make your own 5 pointed stars. So let me know in the comment section if you have any question about this. You can use this in your Christmas decorations, New Year decorations, and in your school projects, or in your wall decorations. And I think everybody loves stars. So let me know if you love star. Which shape do you like the most in geometry? Let me know in the comment section below. And also let me know your questions. And if you like this video, please hit like button. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel.